next one will be, excuse me. Next one will be 47 sub-cabinet level appointments.
But you don't have to sign for the second time.
Thank you, sir. Now the 31 acting designations and appointments that effectively take control of the government.
Let's do that.
I think we have 15 commission chairman and acting chairman appointments.
Second.
Commission chairman and acting chairman.
He was number one at Harvard Hills. You know that?
Good counsel.
Bring something in.
Thank you, sir. Lastly, we have a proclamation ordering all future inauguration days, including this inauguration day, that flags shall be flown at full mast.
That was a beautiful place to have an inauguration tonight. The sound was so good. The temperature was 72 degrees. But the sound was so good. Maybe something to think about.
Thank you.
Okay? It goes back as long as Elephant. Before that, it was a stagecoach. But it was, I thought it was beautiful. Thank you. Great job. Great job. Check.
Do you have any reaction to the pardons President Biden did at the last minute?
Well, I'm not going to discuss it now. I think it was unfortunate that he did that. We won't discuss it now. It's plenty of time to discuss.